Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use countdown sticker on in Instagram story. So I've already opened my Instagram, and then just tap on the camera icon at the top of the screen, or just swipe right to create a story, and click a photo, or you can just click on the capture menu to take a photo directly, but I want to use an image on my phone, example this one, and then just click on the once the background is set, click on the smiley square face at the top of the screen, and then scroll down until you found the countdown sticker. Here you can just type the countdown name, for example days before she giving birth, since my cat is pregnant, so it's just an example. So she giving birth, for example. You can just set the time, the end date of the countdown, for example the end of this month, and then just like that, your countdown sticker is set. And if you want to update it on your Instagram story, just click your story at the bottom of the screen. But if you want to share it with a few friends, with just your close friends, just click on the green circle at the bottom of the screen. So just like that, you can use this countdown sticker, for example, like days before marriage, or the launching of your new products if you're in business, or etc. So I think just that's all. And if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to click that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.